Hello students, welcome to Literature Studies. Hope you all are well. Today we will discuss various ages in English literature. Victorian Age, 19th century. Characteristics. The Victorian era is marked by a focus on morality, social responsibility, and progress. Literature of this period often grapples with the impact of industrialization, urbanization, and scientific advancements on society. There's a strong emphasis on realism and social criticism, as well as a fascination with the supernatural and at Gothic. Key authors: Charles Dickens, Charles Bronte, Emily Bronte, Anne Bronte, George Eliot, Thomas Hardy. Renaissance, 16th century. The Renaissance period is known for its revival of classical learning, humanism, and exploration. Literature of this time celebrates individualism, human potential, and the beauty of natural world. It includes a wide range of genres, from poetry and drama to prose fiction and non-fiction. Key authors: William Shakespeare, Christopher Marlowe, Edmund Spenser, Sir Philip Sidney. Romanticism, late 18th to 19th century. Romantic literature emphasizes emotion, imagination, and the beauty of nature. It rejects the rationalism of enlightenment in favor of intuition and subjective experience. Romantic works often explore themes of love, freedom, and the supernatural and the sublime. Key authors: William Wordsworth, S.T. Coleridge, Lord Byron, P.B. Shelley, John Keats. Modernism, late 19th to early 20th century. Modernist literature is characterized by experimentation with form, language, and narrative structure. It reflects the fragmentation and disillusionment of the early 20th century, exploring themes of alienation, identity, and the uncertainty of modern life. Key authors: T.S. Eliot, Virginia Woolf, James Joyce, Ezra Pound. Elizabethan Age, late 16th century. The Elizabethan era is known for its flourishing of drama and poetry, as well as its exploration of national identity and cultural pride. Literature of this period is marked by its wit, wordplay, and richness of language. Key authors: William Shakespeare, Christopher Marlowe, Ben Jonson, Edmund Spenser. Restoration, late 17th century. The Restoration period is marked by its political instability, cultural revival, and the restoration of monarchy. Literature of this time reflects the changing social dynamics with focus on wit, satire, and liberalism. Key authors: John Dryden, Ephra Behn, Samuel Pepys, John Whitmore. Medieval period, 5th to 15th century. The medieval period is marked by the dominance of Christianity, feudalism, and chivalry. Literature of this time often revolves around religious themes such as mortality, salvation, and the struggle between good and evil. It includes epic poetry, allegorical works, and religious texts. Key works: Beowulf, The Canterbury Tales by Geoffrey Chaucer, Sir Gawain and the Green Knight, Medieval mortality plays. Jacobean and Caroline literature, early 17th century. This period covers the rise of James I and Charles I and is marked by political upheaval, religious conflict, and intellectual ferment. Literature of this time explores themes of power, ambition, corruption, and the human condition. Key authors: William Shakespeare, John Donne, Ben Jonson, John Webster. Transcendentalism, 19th century. Transcendentalism was a philosophical and literary movement that emerged in New England in the early to mid 19th century. It emphasized the inherent goodness of humanity, the divinity of nature, and the importance of intuition and individualism. Literature of this time often celebrates self-reliance, spiritual exploration, and the search for meaning. Key authors: Ralph Waldo Emerson, Henry David Thoreau, Margaret Fuller. Okay, that's it guys. Hope you like my video and my explanation. For upcoming videos, quickly subscribe Literature Studies and comments if you have any query. We'll sort out in the next video. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much.